All right, y'all, so I'm up at Rugged Revolution. I really gotta stop hanging out up here because I ain't got time for this. And I'm keeping this dude away from work. He back here working on something, but I'm up at Rugged Revolution. Y'all know where I'm at. And this dude got this buggy back here. I gotta show it to you. I gotta show you this buggy. So hold up, check it out. Check it out. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. Hold on. Look at this. Look at this. What's all going on here? What's going on? Hold on. I'm gonna find him real quick and ask him. Let's see, where'd he go? There he is right there, doing work, see? So, see? Honda Civic. This dude work on anything, man. He's got magic going on down here. Let me ask you real quick. Yeah. What's in this thing, man? What's going on here? What we looking at?
So 5.3 LS, a mild cam, a little bit of headwork, and one hell of a hot tune. Turbo 400 reverse manual valve body, no reverse lockout. Got me in trouble a couple of times. Twin stick, a twin stick 205. Dana 60 front, Sterling 10.5 rear.
My question is, who built this thing?
I honestly don't know who built it. Because I bought it used about 4 years ago. It was built about 9 years ago. And the way I was told, it looks similar to a Jimmy Smith chassis, because the guy that built it used to work side by side with Jimmy Smith. So I don't honestly know who built it.
But I know who works on it though.
Yeah, I've done a lot to it. I put the cam and the hot tune in it. I've had the trans rebuilt. I re-geared it because it was stupid. It was like 456s. Now it's 538s.
Holy crap, 456? Really?
Yeah. And then, so I moved the axle around a little bit. The front axle's out further because I wanted all 8 links to be the same length so that I only have to carry 2 spare links with me.
Makes sense.
And then everything's store-bought. So there's no custom parts on it other than the chassis. Anything else, I can go to O'Reilly's AutoZone. If I break it while I'm out west or something, or out playing, I can go to any local parts store and pick up what I need to fix it. That was a big thing to me. And then full exhaust. So I can cruise down the trail in first gear at like 4,000 RPMs and we can still talk.
Wow.
It's not open header, so it's still pretty quiet for what it is.
You almost can't do that in the Jeep. Man, this is nice. This is nice.
43 stickies. TSL stickies. I love them stickies way more than the Mickeys. I know a lot of guys like the Mickeys, but I like them TSLs. They hook up a lot better.
It makes some noise though.
Yeah.
Ain't like the old boggers though, man.
I do. I still got to build body panel because you eat shit coming off that. I don't ride it in shorts anymore because the first time I did, the front tire rolled over in the dirt and packed my shorts full of fucking dirt. So yeah, I don't wear shorts in it anymore. It's always pants.
Now, see, this is what I showed y'all. This guy works on Jeeps, got my Jeep. I keep saying it over and over. If you got something that needs to be done, bring it to him. He got this buggy in here. He got Jeeps out there. There's a dually sitting out there.
Turbo truck right there.
Twin turbo Chevy sitting over there. There's something else out there.
Gladiator on airbag.
Gladiator on airbag sitting over there. Yeah, in case y'all didn't know, I know somebody want to say something about the height. That thing's got airbags on it. Full airbag set up. Refrigerator, all that stuff. Everything.
Blackout rooftop tent. 30 gallons of fucking fresh water. Full kitchen. Full hot water system.
Holy crap.
Full shower.
That thing's a beast.
Train horns, the whole 9 yards.
That thing's a beast. And then you got this Honda sitting right here. See? See? He does it all. He does it all.
Yep.
Bring your stuff to Rugged Revolution. Lucians. Y'all like how I said every syllable? Yeah, I had to. Yeah. Bring your stuff to Rugged Revolutions. I'm telling you. Silver Springs, Florida. Check them out. Get it fixed. See you.